Advanced digital marketing techniques in 2026 are very different because we know that digital marketing will continue to evolve as a very complex, and there is technology integration, there is privacy expectation, and new behavioral trends are reshaping the landscape. Marketers must blend the creativity, cutting edge tools, and ethical data to use these. And therefore, I'm going to explain today the techniques which are transforming the marketing in 2026. The first one is hyper personalization, which is powered by AI. And therefore, personalization is moving to demographic targeting, into contextual and predictive intervention. And therefore, we must understand and there is key shift in the predictive engagement, machine learning, and analyzing the behavioral signals, browsing history, data of the day, devices used, etc. And the dynamic content delivery is the other important part into the website web and the visuals which are used in time. Emotional awareness messaging is the other important part. It is part of the new language model, and empathic promotion is then targeted according to this. So you can use the first party data and AI tools to build the customer profiles which is born for a period of time, segment the behavioral level, and repeat the card abandoners to allow deploy a real-time content engine to adjust the messaging. The impact of the hyper-personalization is on loyalty without affecting the rights of the people, and also the immersive experience, particularly metaverse, is coming. And that is also including the virtual expand the experiences from screens to environment. The visual brand spaces, particularly digital showrooms, event hubs, where users content the AR technology and shoppable AR techniques are being used, which are realistic. And now, event monetization, including the concerts, launches, Q&A sessions, immersive environment within tokenized prices is coming up, and that is including the final fiction. And thus, is achieving the world of marketing now. Can also integrate the AR experience into the e-commerce market, collaborative scaling, and virtual platforms partner with the immersive marketers, strengthening the emotional connection and branding core, particularly among Gen Alpha. I also wanted to say that chatbots and the voice assistants have matured far beyond scripted responses. Those for AI-driven conversation now feel natural, contextual, and use multimodal interactions with conversational AI understand the text, voice, and visual inputs. Transactional support is also changing the time handling customer service issues and costs and in real time. That is what we have achieved at Superchat Town conversation system and also refining tool technology automatically for the sales rates. You can build a chat-driven funnels that guide users from interest to the conversation. The personal assistant can analyze the intent and simplify the complex offerings. Impact is conversation increase efficiency and the customer satisfaction while reducing operational costs. It's also allow privacy first data ethical target global regulations and rising digital privacy expectations. Marketer must even to prioritize ethical data through these resources which are having zero-party data connections, incentivizing customers to share preferences directly, including customer bundles and loyalty points. Federated learning is where as learning models decentralize user data and transforming personal information to the center service. Transparent consent forms and clear user-friendly forms also a good relationship. All the data connection points for the compliance and utility is also needed. Newer marketing technology, and this can be used to educate the users and the trustees in the field for competitive advantage and privacy aspect from parents. AI augmented creative workflows are also existing and increase recent how creative teams can produce content which have high capability. More driven multimedia circulation can also create content which is based on automation and localization is suitable to global audience. Adaptive testing and content can also help, particularly in quality. You can use your oversight to identify maintain authenticity, prioritize transparency, AI users and place. And this creative out skills without proportion increases in time and budget with appeal experimentation. Social commerce and short form video are also very popular, and they can magnify the sales engine, particularly e-commerce and even runners. And the stoppable can also engage the customers. Micro-influencer networks with the smaller creators can have high return on investment with optimization techniques. Incentivize user content with the branded challenges and reward systems measure behavioral metrics. Engagement in conversation values not just. And this has impact on the social commerce pages with discovery and purchases with our event into this real-time analytics and modeling are also in sophisticated analytics and business outcome which are and the cross network attribution is also happening. It is the side mode journey and predictive ROI insights with budget and outcome driven dashboards and metrics which is focused on quality based time lifetime and incorporation of effective marketing approach and tactics. Justifying the marketers with the metrics is also becoming useful data driven is making also the market integration of ethical and adaptive systems. And this is so important in 2026. Adaptive ethical practices that protect the user primarily with bias and creative frameworks. It's delivering both human intuition and machine speed. And with this, 2026 will become land database in that he creating experience that deepen the expertise and his business.